Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Level 2 on Thinkorswim. Level 2 data is crucial for understanding market sentiment and liquidity. It displays the full order book, showing you the bids and asks from various market makers and exchanges. This information helps you make more informed trading decisions by revealing where the buying and selling pressure truly lies, offering a deeper insight into market dynamics. To begin, open your Thinkorswim platform and head over to the Trade tab. Look for the Customizable Gadgets section, often found on the left or right side of your screen. From there, you'll want to add the Level 2 gadget to your workspace. This gadget is your gateway to seeing the detailed order flow, providing a real-time view of market depth. Once the Level 2 gadget is added, you can personalize its appearance to suit your trading style. Right-click on the gadget to open its settings. Here, you can adjust how many price levels you want to see, perhaps 10 or 20 levels deep. You can also choose to display or hide specific market makers and even change the color scheme and fonts for better readability and a more comfortable viewing experience. Interpreting Level 2 data involves observing the bid and ask sizes. Large orders on the bid side suggest strong support, while large orders on the ask side indicate resistance. Pay attention to how these orders change over time, as shifts can signal potential price movements. Use this information alongside your charts and other indicators for a more complete trading picture, enhancing your overall market analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.